How to make tile floors shine in your house. Dear friends, porcelain tile flooring is a fantastic floor covering that provides extended durability and outstanding visuals that can be used to create unique and personalized decor matches. The added benefits are a great addition to any home in any space, and they offer a lifespan of up to 50 years or more with proper maintenance. Today, we're going to look at how to make tile floors shine and maintain that beauty on an ongoing basis. Watch along to find out more. Porcelain tile flooring should stand out. When you want your tile flooring to shine, there are various ways to accomplish the task without ever having to use wax. A mixture of warm, soapy water is one way to do so, using a mop and mop bucket for spectacular results. You can also use a combination of baking soda, dish liquid, and white vinegar to achieve excellent results. It helps wash away dirt and grime and leaves you with a shiny, beautiful floor that looks great. Ammonia can be combined with warm water and mopped onto your tile flooring to remove stains and dirt and disinfect surfaces at the same time. If using this procedure, be sure to wring your mop very well to avoid adding excessive amounts of ammonia to your floors. A high-gloss tile sealer is another way to achieve outstanding shine, but make sure you choose a sealer that specifically matches your tile type. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.